Let me introduce Deltana, expanded and evolved architectural hardware in stock and ready to ship. From their huge warehouse in Miami, Florida, Deltana stocks thousands of products, including hinges for doors and cabinets, specialty hinges for doors and cabinets, door pulls, bolts, bumpers and stops, bath and home accessories, window hardware, and commercial and residential door hardware. Deltana has most products available in stock in 8 to 10 finishes, and can even do custom finishes to match your projects. Free to Canadian dealers is FOB Miami by UPS standard for most small orders, with no minimum order required, and prepaid freight available for larger orders. Standard delivery to authorized Canadian dealers is within 7 to 10 days. Check out deltana.net to get product, technical, or installation information. Please consult the resources section of this video or our profile for contact information and other great tools. KnobNerd, helping you stay effective from wherever you are. Please contact us at any time. Thanks.